mad funky right here. And you gotta know when it's funky, man. You know, it just gets you. If the sky is the limit, one day I'm gonna hit it. I'm earning my respect, now I ain't trying to win it. 11 years plus, still I'm rocking the beat. Delivering the heat like Clay on the 3-point street. As an MC, it's difficult to make ends meet, cause I ain't kicking dumb shit on the latest trend beat. The adrenaline is real when I'm on the scene. The rest doesn't matter, I can set myself free. Bounce with me if the vibe is right. Dynamic like bass when I'm running the mic. I'm holding it tight. I never was a slave of a hype. I can't see myself being the type. No matter what they keep on hating, cause they know that I sound ill. And I get down still. Now they run downhill, downhill. Don't let them bite us, put your energy down. They're fucking around, but never been on enemy's ground. I'm not losing up my focus when I'm lost. I'll keep sweating on the grind till I'm back on the course. Now I'm navigating, cause my life is a tough race. I'm leaving pain away, cause I don't have enough space. Lose money but don't lose yourself. Prove yourself that you can overdo yourself. Do it now like you knew yourself. There is no other choice listed. Must choose yourself. Yeah. Mad funky right here. And you gotta know when it's funky, man. You know, it just gets you. If the sky is the limit, one day I'm gonna hit it. I'm earning my respect.